I'm sorry, I'm kind of sweaty, so I apologize.
How's it going? What's up, man?
Sorry.
Good to see you.
Yay, we're here.
What made now the time to renovate?
So Philip is deploying this year, and
Okay.
while he's out, my parents are going to come move in with us.
Okay.
And so we really need a 4th bedroom to accommodate them comfortably.
Okay.
And so we're wanting to move the boys around and open up the space that the boys are in right now,
Okay.
so that
okay.
my parents could stay in the back corner of the house.
My name's Philip Rule.
And I'm Jody Rule. We have 3 children, Malachi, Emmy, and Eli.
So we bought our house in 2013.
As soon as we walked in, we fell in love with it. We knew it was where we wanted to raise our children.
To me, our home now is limited with space. I believe with Dave and Jenny, they'll be able to remodel the house and make it more usable.
So what are you guys planning to spend on the renovation?
$180.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, you do a lot with that.
That's good.
All right, so let's start with outside. What about the brick? Do you like the brick? Do you want it painted?
We like the brick, but we like white.
The texture of it's really good, but the orange's kind of, it's a little bit dated.
I like the archway too for the entrance. It's cute. So we can embrace that. Get you a new front door,
Love it.
Awesome.
new lighting maybe.
You could definitely use some
Yeah.
help.
I've tried to keep the shrubbery alive, but it's been kind of difficult. So if we could get a little help on that, that'd be
Okay.
nice.
Okay. There's a lot of landscaping that needs to be updated at our house too, so.
She tells me that all the time. You had to bring that up right away.
It's a
Gotta
sore,
bring
it's
it
a
up
sore
right away.
subject.
Definitely low maintenance.
Okay. Should we start in the boys' room? Because that's the biggest piece that we got to figure out, right?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll follow you.
yes.
Okay.
This is the boys' room. So when you drop off Malachi, this is where he is running to.
All right.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. So both boys are in here,
Yes.
and you want to move them somewhere else.
Across the house.
Okay, so you want your parents to
Right.
be able to stay, and this is a guest room.
So we're hoping to leverage the hallway we just walked through to make the room bigger.
Okay, so when you say leverage
Yeah,
the
what do you
hallway,
mean?
so
Yeah.
that's a walk-in closet, I'm guessing.
Correct.
And then there's another closet here.
Which we don't need.
Okay,
Oh,
okay, okay,
yeah.
okay.
So you want to make the closet go all the way to here, or you're saying bring the room out to there.
Right.
I gotcha. So basically just expand the bedroom,
Right.
eliminate the hallway.
Yes.
Okay.
Exactly.
We can do that.
And then would love if we could add a back door here where they could go in and out.
Oh,
Okay.
that'd be
Here.
cool. Okay, so for the new guest room, we will replace the flooring, get new flooring, paint, get a door in here to the backyard, new lighting, and then expand it into the hallway to capture more space.
So this is our dining room that we've never had a dining room table in. It's always been a hangout area, a study.
So this is going to be the boys' room.
That's right.
So I'm assuming we want to close off the door into the kitchen because that could be dangerous. But what do you think they would like to see in their room?
They are very much into basketball.
Do you guys think they want twin beds? Do they want bunk beds? Do they want, like, what would they like?
You know, a full bed size bunk bed.
Yeah, yeah,
something
we can do
along those
something cool.
lines.
Okay, so the plan for this space is it's going to become the boys' room. We're gonna close off the door that was previously leading into the kitchen. We'll get new flooring, build them some beds, and we'll paint, new lighting, and make it a really cool basketball-themed room. So this doorway's gone, but let's use it for now. It will be gone. All right, kitchen. Oh, and there's cookies.
Yes.
Buying our love, I love it.
So when we first moved into this house, we loved that the kitchen was separated. The kids were really young at that time. We really would like to open it up now and have some
Okay.
kind of kitchen island
Okay.
where the kids could sit there and eat.
So let's talk about like look and feel.
I do like the white cabinets. We like blues, but they just need to be updated.
Okay.
Right.
Anything else that you would like in here?
It'd be nice if you could fix the fixtures as well.
Yeah, those fluorescents.
Yeah.
They get bugs in them.
Yes. And it's also bad lighting. Yeah. All right. Well, this is where we leave you.
That's it.
All right. You can call me. Bye, guys.
All right, see you guys.
I'm gonna shut the water off.
All the flooring's coming out. So we're thinking then putting that doorway
I
right up in here.
just don't like it. People are going to be sitting facing the fireplace, and then there's just a door. Oh, I know. I don't want to necessarily like make it hidden, but like a little door that blends in. This door in the living room, it's driving me crazy. But Jody said she loved farmhouse style, she likes shiplap, she likes car siding. So I think we can do a vertical car siding on the walls of the living room that will give her the look she wants, and it'll hide the door.
Love it.
Bam.
If we're doing it, you swing the hammer. I got on the other side. I don't think that could have been any better.
Thanks.
Perfect.
They're gonna be so surprised. We never talked about adding a whole bathroom. It's gonna be great.
Yeah, what it does for the house value.
Yeah.
Adds a ton of value. The fluorescents in the kitchen are out of here to make way for new light fixtures. We're adding a header beam to support the ceiling between the kitchen and the living room. Demo on the floors is happening, and we're gonna come back tomorrow and keep on pushing.
Now we need to start in the boys' room. It was a previous dining room that we're now converting into a room for 2 boys. This is a small space that will not have a closet,
So we gotta have storage space.
beds. We need to make it fun. There's a lot we gotta do in this room. Hi, guys.
Hey, trying to lay this out
What?
for their beds.
Oh, bunk beds, yes.
Yeah, the bunk beds, but we don't have a closet in here, so we gotta put storage.
What if we put storage built into the beds? I mean, you could do a storage on this side, and then the ladders on this side.
So the framing for the wall that will separate the kitchen from the new boys' room is in place. We got a new door being framed in from the guest suite to the backyard. We've got framing going up inside the guest suite for the new guest suite bathroom. You got that side?
Yep, got it. Oh, there it goes.
Thanks for saving the glass. And we've got the front door framing going in, but the new door is just a little bit too tall. That solid steel lintel, we're gonna just have to cut through it. I've got my hot saw. Love it. Slide her in. There you go. Like a glove. Man, that's perfect. I love it.
The countertops are going in the kitchen. We're adding the new light fixtures.
I am going to install the barn doors on the boys' beds. Opens right up to the side. Perfect. The whole bed turned out really, really cool. Once we get these hoops on the wall, watch out.
We're working on the landscaping to make the front yard look really beautiful and pop with the new paint. We're also adding low maintenance plants, just like Philip wanted.
And out back, we are putting a pergola up on that deck. It's gonna be amazing when it's all done. When Philip comes home from overseas, I want him to be able to go out back, kick his feet up, crack a beer, and do some grilling in a shaded area. I appreciate you guys coming out. I couldn't think of anyone better to do it for. This is the family you want to do everything for. You know, I told the guys that I was doing this, and all of them, we'll come help.
Showed up.
We'll be here.
Yeah.
Really, everything out back here was labor on our parts, but all of the materials were donated. Company donated this pergola. Deck was donated. People are so great. So it's 11 to the inside, right? We're gonna knock it out, get it done, and I know he's gonna love it.
It's all hands on deck to build the pergola. But you get it? It's all hands on
Oh, I
deck
get it. Yeah, I got
to
it.
build the pergola. Ha ha.
Yeah, one more piece ought to get us. We'll screw all the end cap pieces on and be done with this thing. That's one. That's it.
Jody has 3 kids. She needs the help. So that is part of the reason we wanted to get this renovation done.
So it's actually gonna be a really big surprise for Sue as well. She's not gonna have to share a bathroom with 3 little kids.
Yeah.
She's actually gonna have her own space. So I cannot wait to show it. The boys have their own complete room that was a dining room that wasn't being used.
Yeah. So it needed to be a fun move and not like, ugh, we got kicked out of our room.
All right, let's go set the flag. They're almost here.
All right. And it really feels like this really comfortable, really warm, really welcoming home.
So exciting, can't wait. It's been a long 3 months for you and the kids.
Yes, I think they're gonna love having their house back.
Sit.
Oh, all right.
Hello.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Look at this.
Hi. Yeah, Philip's here.
I love that. You drive around town all the time?
Oh yeah, everyone wants to see you.
All right, well, come look at your house.
All right, go take a look.
It's beyond what I could have pictured. Love it. Oh my goodness.
Oh, wow.
Oh, the kitchen.
Oh,
I love it.
It's gorgeous.
I can't even recognize the house. Wow, this is beautiful.
Oh.
I know you wanted a white kitchen, but you also like blue.
Yes.
So we
Yes.
did a
This is
mix
so
of
perfect.
the two, and you have a gigantic island. Remember, this used to be closed off, so now it's all open.
Oh, wow.
Oh.
There's tons of storage. This is a little pantry with pull-out shelves.
Oh, perfect.
And then this backsplash tile is actually handmade in Morocco.
Oh, that's tile? I
Yes.
thought that was wallpaper.
Individual tiles.
Oh, wow.
Ties in with the blue on the island.
That's so perfect.
So you have the dining space.
Yeah.
The coffee pot. Oh, wow. This is so perfect.
It is.
Oh, te amo.
Oh.
It says I love you more than coffee.
Oh.
It's very comfortable, cozy, so warm and welcoming.
Yes.
Beautiful.
It is.
The fireplace, I love it.
Go check it out.
Looks amazing.
Oh, it's so much better.
So I know you like classic farmhouse style, so we wanted to do the brick surround in a herringbone pattern and then just a really clean mantle. So the TV was blocking the window before, but now all this natural light's coming in, and it's like very bright.
Yeah.
And we put all of the vertical trim in this room to add some texture.
It actually reminds me of my grandparents' house when I was a kid and they had the wood paneling. It brings back memories.
Happy memories, yes. And of course, we opened up this wall, so now this space just all flows together. I know you guys have a big family, so this is a space that I feel like you guys can all be in together and feel comfortable. Everybody can fit. So, should we go to the old dining room? Because you remember
Yeah, we got-
this used to be open to the dining room. So that's now closed, so we should go check that out.
Okay, you're gonna
Okay.
show me which way to go to get there. Oh my word.
Oh, they are gonna love this.
This is awesome.
Oh, wow. Oh.
How fun.
Go in there, go check
my
it out.
goodness. Oh, look, a little reading nook. Oh, is it games?
It could be games, could be whatever they
Yeah.
want.
Oh, and baseball and basketball. It's so perfect.
Oh.
They might actually want to clean their room now.
So the challenge in here is this is a smaller room, right? So Dave
Yes.
built them beds. So you have Eli and you have Malachi, the bigger bed up top. But there was no space for a closet in this room. So we had to build a closet underneath.
We did all of the flooring, all of the trim
Yes.
before we did the bed. So it's all attached. It can all be removed at a later date or modified if anything changes.
And then if you look around the corner, the steps to go up to Malachi's bed are all drawers.
That's so
So
perfect.
more storage for their clothes.
Look at all their basketball hoops, Jody. They're gonna have so much fun in here.
Let's go check out the new guest room.
Do you want to check that one out?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, wow. This is
Beautiful.
so nice. It's beautiful.
So big.
I know. Well, I know you love blue, so we went ahead and just went all blue. Gave you a door to the outside, so you really do have your own space when you and your husband are here helping while Philip's away.
Oh my goodness.
Beautiful. Oh my gosh.
So we wanted you to have kind of a quiet little space. It's hidden. Maybe the kids won't even know. The reason we took the hallway is to give you another space in
Okay.
your room. So go ahead and check that out.
Oh, wow.
Oh wow.
The walk-in shower.
Beautiful.
Oh, it's amazing.
I was shocked to see that they were able to add that bathroom. I love every part of it.
Oh, I love this. Our very own bathroom.
You won't have to share a sink with the kids.
No sharing with the kids.
So it's not a big bathroom, but
It's private.
this will just be a nice little guest suite that everybody can have their own space when you're visiting. Okay, so we have one more space we want to show you that we thought you might be able to use. So follow us.
Follow
Okay.
us.
Yeah. Go on out.
All right. Wow. Oh,
my
God. It's amazing.
Backyard. Oh, wow. The pergola.
Go check it out.
Oh, wow.
This is
I
so
love it.
nice.
So this was a big surprise. We didn't tell you guys about it.
Exceeded our wildest expectations.
You have like a wonderful community. All of this was donated.
Philip is sacrificing a lot, being away from his family and serving our country, but so are you, and so are the kids. Everyone in your community sees that. That's why everybody stepped up and did whatever they could to make this really special for you guys. So we're just grateful to be a small part of it and make a place that while you wait for him, you guys can feel loved.
This is amazing.
You're welcome. I could tell the minute they pulled up. I know Jody loved it. And Philip's on deployment right now. And he won't be back for at least another year. So when he comes home, we really want this to be a place that is a refuge for their family.